Hey guys, it's Gab here, and it's a very, very hot Friday afternoon. For today's video, we are going to change my Nissan Navara's tires. The tires I have on now are BF Goodrich KO2s, and they have been with me for the last 2 years, and it ran a total of 51,000 kilometers. It kept me safe through all of that and even through the North Luzon loop that we did. And I am doing this to prepare for tomorrow because tomorrow we are going on another trip to Campwell River Valley. And yeah, so after 2 years, I'll show you what the tires look like. I think they're probably at about 20 or 30% left na lang. Due na rin talaga for change. Here, I'll show you guys. So yeah, after 50,000 kilometers, this is what my BFG looks like. You can see it's very, very thin na. And pud-pud na rin talaga. So after a few days of research, I have decided that I will be getting a new brand of tires. And that is the Toyo Open Country RT. I have no complaints about my previous tires, which is the BFGs. They've really been trusty, and I've never had a single problem with the tire, no. And that's after 51,000 kilometers of mixed use and on-road and off-road. So yeah, but I just decided I want to try something new, and I honestly like how the thread pattern of the Toyo RTs look. So we'll give that a try, and then hopefully, if I remember, I'll be giving you a review on the Toyo tires after. So without further ado, let's head to our friends at Stage 1 and let's put the new tires on. I'll be showing you the process and everything that has to be done when you get new tires. So yeah, see you there. Hey guys, so as we are driving up to Campwell River Valley, I actually didn't notice na we are currently passing Marilake Highway. So for those of you who don't know, this road is actually famous for its twisties, especially for the motorcyclists and bikers, I think. Anyway, I was thinking na now would be the best time to give you a less than 100 kilometer review of my new tires, which are the Toyo Open Country RTs. I'm honestly pretty impressed by how the car handles on them, considering na it's a hybrid tire, hybrid between all-terrain tires and mud-terrain tires. I have no problems at all with the handling ng car on the turns and the twisties. Well, of course, I am going within the speed limit because we, of course, promote safe driving. See, like right now, I'm going at 60 kilometers per hour. And no problem. I know I can push more, but I do not want to. And the road's actually slightly wet pa. It's been drizzling. Personally, as of now, I really recommend these tires if you're looking into upgrading your tires to a more off-road capable tire, or kung pud-pud na yung tires nyo. Definitely, I think these tires are worth it, and I think they will keep you safe as of now. If there are any changes within what I think, I will let you guys know. But yeah, I bought these tires for 70,000 pesos from our friends at Stage 1.